The Milky Way is a serial killer. Scientists have finally confirmed that our galaxy has spent billions of years actively consuming other smaller galaxies. And the worst part, we are next on the cosmic menu. This isn't science fiction, it's cosmic forensics. The evidence of our galaxy's violent past is written across the night sky. In today's video, we're going into the dark history of the Milky Way. We are identifying its past victims and exploring the inescapable collision that will rewrite the rules of the universe. You are not ready for this. You think of our spiral galaxy as a calm structure. But it's a dynamic, cosmic cannibal that has built itself, collision by collision, over billions of years. Smaller galaxies are pulled apart, their stars digested and integrated into our own. The evidence is in massive, invisible scars. Galaxies don't collide like car crashes, it's a slow-motion dance. Astronomers have become stellar detectives, finding strange streams of stars orbiting our core. Thanks to the Gaia mission, we can now see these scars in incredible detail. They are the spectral ghosts of the galaxies the Milky Way murdered. The biggest confirmed victim is known as the Gaia Enceladus galaxy. Roughly 10 billion years ago, this significant galaxy crashed into the infant Milky Way. The impact shook our galactic disk, heating up stars and potentially triggering the formation of our central black hole. There's also the Sausage Galaxy. We identify its stars by their unique, elongated orbits. We are literally walking on the graves of galaxies past. But the Milky Way isn't just a ghost, it's still actively hunting. The biggest target, the Andromeda galaxy. Andromeda is our cosmic twin, traveling at 250,000 miles per hour directly towards us. This is an inescapable collision course. In about 4 billion years, our two galaxies will clash in a monumental, slow-motion smash-up. Our history is about to repeat itself. Gravity will warp both galaxies, pulling them into a cosmic hug. While the galaxies merge, individual star collisions are incredibly rare. Our night sky will change completely. Our grandchildren will look up to see not one, but two Milky Ways rise across the sky. The final form will be a new, massive elliptical galaxy, potentially called Milkomeda. Life continues, but the cosmos is reborn. We are made of the digested remains of other galaxies. In a way, the Milky Way is not a killer, but a catalyst. Masters of your cosmic mind, subscribe and explore. Hit that like button to spread the eye and subscribe for your daily dose of mysteries. What would you rather live through? The Milky Way collision or a supernova? Let me know below. See you in the next exploration.